Hi guys, my name is Shade the Shark, and my job this week is to provide examples that summarize the tools you learned in the Minute Maya tutorials. First, I'd like to show you a custom shelf I recommend you have and how to set it up. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is to create a new shelf. So go to over here, left click, new shelf, name it whatever you want, press OK. Now, the first thing we're going to want to put in our shelf is the hypershader. So go to Windows, Rendering Editors, and Hypershade. Shift Control left click. Then we want to put in our freeze joints. So modify freeze transformations, Shift Control left click. Then go to the joint tool on skeleton, Shift Control left click. Do the same thing to the remove joint, and then do the insert joint, and then disconnect joint. Then you're going to want to go to the right side of mirror joint, click on the square, and make sure that your mirror across is set to YZ and the mirror function set to behavior. Search for L, replace with R. Close that, go back to skeleton and Shift Control left click. Go to the IK handle tool, but go to the little box first. Left click that. Make sure you have solver enable, snap enable, and sticky set to check. Make sure these are the same as what your settings are. Exit out of that, and then go to back to skeleton, Shift Control left click on the IK. Go to create NURBS primitives and go to circle. Then you want to do constraints, orient. And the last one you need to do right now is the pull vector. Alright, so now your shelf is ready to go. One last thing about orienting the joint constraints. Here, let me show you. Before you add the orient constraint to your shelf, click on the box and make sure that your settings look like this. Make sure that maintain offset is checked. Okay, so do that. Click it, and then you can close, and then add it, Shift Control left click, like that. If you don't do that, it's going to be really messed up for you to add the skeleton later. Alright, just check it. And if you want to see how to create a skeleton with these tools and rig it, then check out our next video. Cool. See you later.